Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I wanted to show you real quickly how to turn these crazy earrings into a purse charm. So first of all, I got these earrings in one of my boxes. I couldn't believe both of them were in there, and they're fun. Now I don't like this because it disappears, this same color as the chain, but I wanted to leave the orange pumpkins. So what I thought I would do is switch out all of the gold tone beads, which are quite lovely, and I would add these black ones. So I've got them all ready to go. I thought I was going to have to loop them on, but I see that there's an actual jump rings that I can open. So I'm going to just loop each one of these, and I usually use silver for most of my stuff, but today, since it is a gold earring, very clearly a gold earring. Or, yeah, well, it was an earring. It's hard for me to call that an earring. It's so humongous. But I'm making 3 of these up. Okay, hold on. Let me get my other light. Okay, so I'm going to loop all of these black charms here. And it's just so easy. It's just a simple charm bead on a head pin, and then you loop it, and you know, I cut it to size. I've done quite a few videos showing this step, and I'm trying to shorten my videos a little bit and just show you the design aspects. So we got all 3 beads. So then what I'm going to do is, since there's a jump ring here, now you got to be careful because it's holding I think it's holding the 2 pieces of chain together. I could be wrong. But what I decided I'd do is just be real careful. Take this jump ring, turn it so you see the split, and then you take 2 pairs, where's my other pliers? This is easiest to do with 2 pliers. And you hold one side with one plier, and one side with the other. And you simply switch them out. Take off the gold one, which is quite pretty. Put on the black one, and close it back up. And then we'll do that 3 times. Or yeah, it's 3 times. I just thought these were an absolute hoot when I saw them. And at first I was going to try to make a pair of these for you guys. And I thought, you know what, these are just a little over the top for most people. So why don't we do something else with it and make something that somebody actually could use. So I thought, let's do a purse charm. I thought that would be a lot of fun. So here's number 2. And let's get the last one. I thought there was 3. Yes, here it is down here. Okay. And see, I was going to just open the charm, but to me, why open 2 different charms when you can open a jump ring and then just, whoops. I got to grab it in a way that I can get one charm off very easily and the other charm on just as easily. But using 2 and just kind of doing it till you hear or actually feel them kind of rubbing against each other. Now, this is now a big, crazy black and orange earring. But what we want to do now is take the ear wire off of here, and you got a jump ring. And this is going to hook onto our purse hook. Now, this is one I got, oh my gosh, I think it's one of my first Hobby Lobby hauls on this channel. It's one of them. I paid 34 cents, normally $5.99, so this was a really cheap sale. And so I'm just going to cut this wire here to remove this, and I'm going to take and open this jump ring. Hopefully this one's not too stiff to easily open. We're going to do the same thing with this one, pull the chain off and switch it with the earring. Okay, so I'm going to take that chain off, and we're going to hook that on there, and then we're going to close it. Oh, that was a good save. I could have lost the whole thing. How many times that happens to me? Just as you're about to grab it with the plier. Now, is that fun or what? It's just a fun, stupid charm made out of half a pair of earrings. So I can make another one of these, because I still have one more of these. I'm not exactly sure what that is, if it's a letter I, but I have several of them. But anyway, I thought this was fun, and you could do the same with any big earring. Change out any elements of it you don't like, add a little purse hook to it, or a keychain, whichever you'd rather. I think this is better for a purse charm, because can you imagine that on your purse? It'd be really cool. And you have a perfect Halloween charm. Now, you can hang some more beads up here if you wanted to. I'm not going to, but you could. You could add an extra focal bead, like if you wanted to hang, look, I got these pumpkins. You could hang a pumpkin down, or if you wanted to hang another orange skull. I mean, but I think it doesn't need it. I think it's plenty busy enough by itself, and it's pretty long. This piece here, from the tip of the clasp till the bottom, is almost 10 inches. Look at that. Almost 10 inches. About 9 3/4. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and it gives you some great ideas for stuff you make. And then hang on to these, because these are nice. Hang on to any pieces you take off. You might not have, you know, obviously these exact beads, but whatever you take off that you're not going to use, leave it as a charm, because these come in real handy, and I've got a whole bunch of autumn stuff I'm going to be doing, and these will be perfect. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll be back again soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it gave you some great ideas for some purse charms, or you could put a keychain. I hope it gives you some great ideas of your own. Bye.